Hello students, in this video we are going to solve these two questions which were asked in 2023 for 3 marks. So the question is like this: the room is in the form of cylinder surmounted by a hemispherical dome. The base radius of hemisphere is 1/2 the height of cylindrical part. So the radius is 1/2 of the height of cylinder. Find the total height of the room. So we have to find the total height of the room, which includes the height of the spherical dome and the height of cylinder. So in the end we have to find h plus r. And given that it contains this much air, so this is nothing but the volume of the room. This is the given volume of room. So let's begin the solution. This is the diagram. Let the base radius of cylinder and hemisphere be r centimeter. So they both have same radius because the hemisphere is surmounted on the cylinder, so they are sharing the same radius. And let the height of cylinder be h meters. So height is done and radius is r. So we assume these two things. So given that the base radius r is half of the height of the cylinder, so this is the relation we are getting between h and r. So r is equal to h by 2 or h is equal to 2r. Also, given that the volume of air the room can contain is 1408 upon 21 centimeter cube. So this is nothing but the volume of room. And the volume of room is the volume of hemisphere plus volume of the cylindrical part. The volume of room is equal to volume of hemisphere plus cylinder. So this is what I have written in formula type. This is what it looks like in formula. And this is the total volume. Now I need to solve this. So instead of h, I have written 2r and pi is common. So 2 upon 3 r cube plus 2r cube. So this r square and this r is r cube. Nothing done on this side. So pi is 22 by 7. I have taken LCM here. So 2 upon 1, LCM is 3 is multiplied with 1, so LCM is 3, and we got this 2r plus 6r cube upon 3 equal to 1408 upon 21. 2r cube plus 6r cube is 8r cube. This 22 upon 7 I have shifted on that side. 7 will come in numerator, 22 is in the denominator. This is what I have done here. R cube is this. So this 8 is in the denominator, 3 is in the numerator. It's cross multiplied the unwanted things with R cube. Now it's time to cancel. So here what I have cancelled is 7 3 the 21 and this 21 is gone. So I am left with 1408 upon 22 into 8. After cancelling the thing, I got r cube is equal to 8. So cube root of 8 is 2. So the base radius is 2 meter and the height by using this relation is 2 into 3, 4 meters. So we got the value of r and h. So total height of the room is h plus r. 6 meters is the answer for this question. So the or part for the same question is an empty cone is of radius 3 centimeter and height 12 centimeters. So the height is 12 centimeter and the base radius is r 3 centimeters, and then it is filled with ice cream in it so that the lower part of the cone is empty. So how much there's empty space? 1/6 of the volume of cone is empty. So there's no ice cream filled in that 1/6 part or 1/6 of the volume of the cone. This is what given radius, height, and the empty cone is 1/6 of the total volume of the cone. So we have to find the volume of ice cream filled in it. So first we will find how much ice cream is there in the conical part. So we have to find how much ice cream is in the conical part. So this much. How to get that? The total volume of, we will find the total volume of cone first, and then 1/6, we will find 1/6 of it. Then subtract from the total volume. So here I have got the total volume of cone by this formula, 1/3 pi r square h. So I have done the cancelling part and then multiplication in the rough. So I got this. Now it's time to find the empty space in the cone. So it is given that 1/6 of the total volume of cone is empty. So volume of empty space is 1/6 of this. This is my total volume of cone, it's here. Now instead of dividing it, so I have written instead of 113.04, I am writing the multiplication part of it. Okay. So this is, I have replaced this by its one step before calculation. Now this cancels and I got 3.14 into 6. So I have multiplied it here. So you can see that it is also multiplied over here. I just written it directly, 18.84. This much is the empty space. Now volume of ice cream only in conical part will be the total volume minus empty space. So this much ice cream is filled in conical part only. So ice cream, if it is filled over here, so this is this. The ice cream is over here. This is empty. Now we have to find the amount of ice cream in the hemispherical part, which is on the top of the conical part. It's a hemispherical shape, so the volume of it is 2/3 pi r cube. This is the calculation in front of you. And 314 into 18 done over here. The answer is this. Then I have to simply add the volume of ice cream in conical part plus in hemispherical part. And after adding, we get this. This is the rough work. So I hope this calculation is clear to everyone. Thank you, everyone.